Introducing the latest generation of Stormforce cordless power tools with a 20-volt interchangeable battery system. This versatile family of tools is powered by a choice of two interchangeable lithium-ion batteries, a compact 2 amp hour pack, or for maximum power and double the runtime, a high-capacity 4 amp hour pack. Both sizes have the same fitting, so whichever one you choose, it'll fit the whole 20-volt family. Both batteries fit both chargers, so there's no excuse to stop working, not even for a brew. This multi-tool system, powered by a single battery, gives you the convenience of having a versatile and mobile workshop wherever you are. The family includes key products for drilling, cutting, driving, grinding and sanding. Also included are impact wrenches and a multi-tool that's great for dealing with those awkward and time-saving jobs like laying laminate flooring, sanding and a host of other challenges too. Universal features across the range include LED work lights, variable speeds, dust extraction and soft grips. One family, one system, one result. The Stormforce interchangeable 20-volt cordless power tool range, made to work for people like you.